won't have to cry no more. And we won't have to cry no more.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my mate.
Hey yo, what's going on?
What's going on?
It's honestly, oh y'all, I'm tired. It's what time is it, Brianna? It's 5:56. It's 5:56 at night on a Sunday. Yeah.
I just want to say, anybody English watching this, we are not making fun of you.
No, I love y'all. Oh
My God, this itches.
dandruff.
Anyway, y'all.
Let's go.
Anyway, y'all, we finna dye my hair again, you
She said
know.
weed. It's just her.
So y'all, we using, I don't know how to say this, Clairol textures and tones for black women. Alright y'all, we're gonna take all the ingredients out this box.
Ingredients. What you cooking?
I'm gonna be cooking you in a minute. God.
That's amazing.
Oh my, what did you get behind me?
Move like a snake, 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 move like a.
So basically now, yeah, so I already dyed my hair in the winter time, but it didn't come out the way I wanted to. Check out my video so you can see how that went. So this time I'm gonna dye my hair all honey brown, and we're gonna see if my hair fall out. So right now I'm just gonna part my hair in 3 sections. All right, now we're going to start the dyeing process. I'm gonna start with the back. Okay, so when you do this, you need to start with the ends and the middle, and then wait 15 minutes and do the ends and, the middle and the roots, because you don't want to do your roots too fast or my hair is gonna be blonde. Oh my God, I ripped the, jeez, already. Okay, so let's section this up. Take it section at a time.
Straight up.
15 minutes later.
Alright, it's been 15 minutos. And now we're gonna dye the rest of it. God, okay, so yeah. I just shut the fuck up.
Oh, poor baby. Oh. What is that? Oh, that's just okay. Need some milk.
Where do it become?
At least your curls cute.
I think you need a higher. Oh. That's exactly how it was for me.
Why is that?
I think I'm gonna I'm just gonna cut it all off.
No. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Isn't that serious? You can just, fix it later.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Like the my roots is just, this is like, oh Jesus. This is blonde. This is what I wanted everything to be one color. But I do like the ombre stuff, which keeps happening. Even though I don't want it to. Like what happened here? So I got conditioner now. I'm just gonna wash this out, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get more dye and fix it up. So okay, so I went to the hair store and I got a little bit dark, like the next dark down, so I can dye my roots that are like orange. So I think that's better than trying to dye everything what's this called? This looks orange in the camera. Instead of trying to dye everything blonde. So yeah. So basically, I mean, I don't know, man. I think it's fine. I think it's fine because this is how it's gonna be till I do whatever it is I wanted to do with it. But I washed it out. I'm gonna put the conditioner in. I actually don't hate it. I feel like it is what it is at this point. That's how it turned out. Hello everyone. So it's literally, I think, like 2 weeks later. And I just wanted to show you how everything came out. This white stuff is product and not my actual hair. So if you can see from us dyeing it a second time the next day, like it still wasn't right. It still didn't come out exactly the way I wanted. From a distance, like if you don't look exactly at the roots, it's not that bad, you know. Some spots are worse than others. I don't know where I want to go from here. I think I might just make the roots darker the next time I dye, which won't be for another couple months because I'm going back to protective styles and I don't want to dye my hair too much. So yes, I'm gonna just show you guys how, like, the worst of it. Like, that's probably the worst. And in the back, there's some spots that, like, didn't dye at all. So I'm not really bummed about it because, I don't know, I kind of like it. I've gotten actually a lot of compliments on the color, so I'm not too worried about it. And right now, I'm going to be putting in some Marley Twist, so it's gonna be, but it's the same color as my hair now, so I'm not too worried about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope my mistakes possibly could help you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.